Hello friends, my son showed me how to make the perfect poached eggs, and I'm going to show you what he taught me. You're going to need to get some water boiling, put in a tablespoon of vinegar, then you want to crack your eggs into a bowl, get your timer ready, get some paper towels, and then what you're going to do is make a vortex in the boiling water that has vinegar added to it. Stir it round and round until you get like a vortex going. Then what you want to do is drop your eggs right into the center of the vortex, cover it, and turn it off. And then you're going to set your timer for 5 minutes. And then after your 5 minutes is up, you're going to take and put your eggs on a paper towel, and they will be perfectly formed. They won't be all spread out in the water. Okay, now the 5 minutes is up, and we're going to check on the eggs. You see it's formed a nice solid hole, not all spread out in the water. And we can take it and put it over here on the paper towels and let it drain. Get some of the water off. You can kind of turn it over, let it drain. Then you're going to take your plate and you can put it on the plate. That. You can add your salt and pepper to it, whatever you like. Then you can see when you cut it open, it's the perfect consistency of poached egg. Nice creamy yolk. That's how you make a poached egg.